Vishnu, one of the Holy Trinity, lived in Vrindavan. He took birth to cleanse the earth of evil, which was crumbling under the weight of sinners and their sins. Stories from Krishna's childhood inspires children to be brave and stand up what is right. As we all know, Lord Krishna had many interesting encounters with evil forces. This one is also such a story. In summer, as usual, all cowherd boys, including Krishna and Balram, were playing with their cows with great strength. However, ha- however, in the summer after playing, every day all cowherd boys and cows as oftenly drink water from Yamuna river. But there was a big poisonous serpent, Kalia, living there. Due to his venom, the water became so dirty and poisonous that if a bird would cross the river, would fall dead. Due to due to the smell of the poison by due to the smell of the poison and due to the smell of poison, all trees near the river also dried up and died and fall down by the poison of black serpent Kaliya. One hot day, as usual, when all cowherd boys and cows came to drink water from Yamuna River, they became sick and fell unconscious and died. Whereas Krishna was waiting for his friends on playground as it was high time but no one returned. So Krishna thought to go himself and call his friends. As he reached near the river, he saw his friends dead. He saw his friends and cows dead. However, Lord Krishna made them all alive simply by looking at them. Then Krishna climbed a big tree which was leafy and also it was alive. But how? Only one tree was only one tree remained fresh and leafy. As I told in my last words that all trees were, were dried up and fall died. Because in some scriptures it is said that Garuda, the vehicle of Lord Vishnu, he poured some nectar, Amrit, which was obtained when Mandara mountain was churned by demigods and demons, as Garuda was knowing that his Lord Vishnu would appear as Krishna and would do pastimes on this tree. So he poured some Amrit on that tree so that the tree will never die. And in other scriptures, it is said that all demigods and gods always bestow their mercy on this tree, and that is why the tree was alive through the black poison of black serpent Kaliya. Further, Krishna slapped on his arms and thighs like a wrestler, then jumped into the poisonous lake. When Krishna jumped into the Yamuna river, it flooded over the sides like something very large had fallen into it. He splashed around like an elephant. After such a big noise, the black serpent Kaliya came there with an angry heart. Krishna tried to talk with Kaliya and to explain whatever he is doing is incorrect. And because of his venom, Krishna was about to say further, but the serpent not listen and grabbed Lord Krishna and came upside so that all can see Krishna grabbed. All boys, girls, and cows started crying, seeing their beloved Krishna grabbed. All Vrajavasis, Mother Yashoda, Nanda Maharaj, Rohini Mata, all came running, crying. Mother Yashoda fell down, crying, and fell down and started crying. Seeing her wonderful child, Krishna grabbed. Yashoda Maya was going to the poisonous river to save her child, Krishna. But however, all ladies and Nanda Maharaj was trying to stop her, where all Vrajavasis was crying. But at the another side, Balramji was smiling, seeing the situation as He was already knowing that now what will Krishna will do with Kaliya. The black serpent grabbed Krishna for 2 hours. When Krishna saw all his Brajavasis, Mother Yashoda and Father Nanda Maharaj in great trouble, so he decided to teach Kaliya a lesson, and Krishna made his body bigger, bigger and bigger, so the serpent cannot hold him anymore. Kali became more angry. He too made his coils bigger. He breathed out terrible poison and smoke from his nostrils. His eyes blazed with fire while he looked at Krishna, licking his poisonous tongue. Krishna jumped on him just as Garuda swoops down upon a snake. Kaliya tried to bite him, but Krishna quickly moved around him. As Kaliya and Krishna moved in circle, Kaliya became very tired. Krishna pressed on serpent's head and he began to dance on roots of the serpent. Krishna was attacking Kaliya by his lotus feet, which was hurting Kaliya a lot. That the serpent, instead of poison, blood was flowing from mouth of serpent. Kaliya tried to attack Krishna one by one of his hood, but Krishna caught hold of it and continued dancing. When wives of Kaliya saw it, they all came to know that Krishna is none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead. They all came very fast towards Krishna and started offering prayers, and they said, following to glorify him. We know, Lord, our husband has done an offense of troubling you and all Brajavasis of Vrindavan. But you are the ocean of kindness. Please forgive our husband. We know that you have descended on earth to kill the evil ones, and our husband is one of it. Please see towards our children, and please forgive our husband Kaliya. As we all know, Lord Krishna is actually the ocean of kindness. He forgave Kaliya and told him to go in ocean and never come back in Yamuna river. Kaliya also offered prayers unto Lord Krishna and went back to ocean. All were very happy to see their beloved Krishna back and to have sweet water of Yamuna river. Now I will ask you all questions, so please answer. First question is that why did all cowherd boys died after drinking water of Yamuna river? Hare Krishna.
Because the
Because
water
the river
was
Because the
of the
poison was
river
there in the
Because the
water.
water was poisonous.
poisoned by
The water.
the Kalia serpent. So that is why they all died after drinking water of Yamuna river.
Okay, good. Now the next question. That state any one reason why only one tree was leafy and alive through the venom of Kaliya.
Because on that
colored
the
during
demigods worship and the nectar which is joined by the demigods,
And
which is shown
Varun
by
poured drops of
which
Amrit
are like
on the
Garuda.
tree.
bless the
His Lord Vishnu will take and come and do his pastime on this tree. That's all.
Yeah, very nice. Now the last question. That how did wives of Kaliya glorify Lord Krishna?
Eyes of the Kaliya
By the prayers, and offering obeisances
You have
No, means what?
and glorifying
What they
him.
told Lord Krishna?
they told
They
You are the
glorified,
ocean
they
of kind.
glorified him.
You are the supreme Lord, and please forgive Kalia. You are the ocean of kindness.
you have descended to
Yes.
to kill all the.
Now, if you all want to ask questions, you can